have Willie Fernandez from Kolwa FC.
Representing the Kolwa FC team. Okay, and we are actually trying our best to bring the young lads out and get it done. Okay, so we basically what we are trying to do is actually give as much as exposure to the kids, and that's what my team is all about. It's all youngsters.
Yeah, Willie, what's the strength of your team this time? Are you all an attacking team or defensive?
We have more of a defense team, and yes, we have a couple of good forwards, but our most strength is on the defense.
Message to the entire global fraternity, especially as a footballing fan from all of us.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I would like to say actually. This is where we all go and get connected. Yeah. This is the platform where we people we have seen, we met in Goa, and after that we have forgotten about it. But here, this is the place where we meet them, and we really love to see them over here. And we like to have this type of programs or tournaments, football, so we get connected away from our families and away from our all the best.
Mon ami, si tu as le niveau,